Hello! When you're looking at me, you can probably tell that something looks strange. Can you tell what it is? That's right, my eyebrows. I definitely overplucked them for years and now they are growing but really slow. And they look especially crazy when I am wearing makeup on other parts of my face, especially on my eyes. So, if you want to go from these eyebrows to those eyebrows, just keep on watching this video. Before we begin, I invite you subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. And let's go! First I'm gonna use this micro brow pencil by NYX in the shade Taupe. I start by brushing my eyebrows down so I can actually see where exactly I am missing hair. And then I start drawing little hair strokes on the overplucked areas. I'm drawing the hair strokes in between my actual eyebrow hair and I try to follow the natural direction in which my eyebrow hairs are supposed to go. I find it easier to slowly fill in both eyebrows simultaneously. Just fill in a little part of one of your eyebrows and then fill in the same part of the other eyebrow, compared to doing one eyebrow and then trying to get the other eyebrow to look the same. I find it's easier for me if I do them both at the same time. And I also brush my eyebrows to blend the product. Then I pretty much try and even out both eyebrows. And I apply more product in the lower part of my eyebrows because that is where naturally you would have a shadow unless you have light hitting your face from below. And then I just keep on filling in and brushing my eyebrows until I find them kind of even. Take your time, make little hair strokes and then blend with the spoolie. My pencil is empty. Good thing I have a spare one. Now I just try to make my eyebrows look more full and natural shaped. I've been overplucking my eyebrows in that crazy thin rounded shape for over a decade now. My eyebrows are really damaged, but they are growing and they are actually visible on a definite light, but they are really light. They are see-through, really blonde. I believe that someday soon my eyebrows will grow back fully, especially that I feed them stuff like hair growth serums and garlic juice and all kinds of oils you can imagine. And it's a good thing I'm not wearing foundation, cause I can do this, which is not exactly professional, but still it's allowed. I'm just a makeup lover. More filling in and some more brushing. It's a process. And you can totally leave your eyebrows like that, but I would recommend an extra step to elevate your eyebrow look. Take eyebrow color that is slightly darker from the one that you just used. I'm using my eyebrow powder again by NYX in the shade Ash Brown. And I apply it on the lower part of the eyebrow because that creates the illusion of a shadow and makes it look natural. Normally your eyebrows are supposed to cast such shadow unless you have light coming from below. Now I just keep on emphasizing that lower shadow. Again, I'm trying to draw hair-like strokes. I use a cotton tip with micellar water to remove any additional product. And that's it, we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please click the like button, that will help my channel a lot. And if you wanna be sure that you will never miss any of my videos, then you better subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye!